Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at all these cute whack-a-packs. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He wants to whack a pack. The shark wants to whack this pack. Whack, 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 whack. Oh, I can tell it's getting bigger. He whacked the pack. Let's open, open, open. What's inside? Can you help me open it? It's hard. Open, open. Oh, it was a heart. We whacked the pack and we found a heart for shark. Shark. Shark likes the heart. Shark. Shark. He wants to eat the heart. Shark. Okay, let's whack the next pack. Snake is going to help us whack a pack. Snake. Snake wants to whack the purple packet. Pack. Whack. Snake, help us whack the pack. Okay, I can tell it's getting bigger from you whacking it. Now we just need to open the pack. Open pack. Open the pack. Open pack. Whoa! Here's the heart. Snake, we found a heart for you. Oh, here's our Valentine for you, Snake. Snake, snake, snake. 3 packs left. What pack should we whack? Oh, here's some cake. Cake wants to whack a pack. Whack, whack, whack the pack with the cake. Now we need to open the pack. Open pack. Open pack. Cake, I wonder what kind of heart you got. Oh, it says Happy Valentine's Day, Cake. Cake. Cake likes the Valentine. Cake. 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 2 packs left. Truck. 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 Truck wants to whack a pack. Truck. Is that the pack you want to whack? Whack. Let's open pack. Let's open it and see what we can find. Open. Open. I can tell it's getting so big. Oh, fun. It says sweets. Here you go, truck. Here's a Valentine. Truck. Truck. Truck likes the Valentine. Truck. Truck. Last pack. Look, I got my hook. Let's whack the pack with the hook. Whack, 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 whack the pack with the hook. See the hook? Whack the pack. Now we need to open the pack. Open, open, open. Open the pack. Hook wants to see what's in the packet. Open Open. Open. It's kind of hard to open. Here we go. It's a heart. Happy Valentine's Day, Hook. Hook got a Valentine. Hook, hook, hook. Can we hook it on the hook? Nope. Hook. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.